Hello, hello, beautiful learners. Welcome back to the English Studio, the place where English feels easy, friendly, and fun. I'm Sarah, and I'm coming to you today from Austin, Texas, where the weather loves to surprise me every single day.
And hey everyone, I'm Ethan, your learning partner from San Diego, California, where the sun shines almost every day. Yes, I'm lucky. And friends, we are so happy you're here with us today.
Before we begin, take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders and remind yourself, I can learn English. I am improving every day.
Exactly. And today's topic is something we all experience every single day. Something that changes our mood. Something that starts conversations all over the world.
The weather.
Friends, do you know something interesting? If you can talk about the weather in English, you can start a conversation anywhere. At work, at school, on a bus, in a cafe, even with a stranger.
Yes, the weather is a safe, friendly, and natural topic. Everyone has an opinion about it. No pressure, no fear.
So today we will help you. Speak confidently. Use natural phrases. Understand real-life situations. And most importantly, enjoy English. All right, Sarah, let's imagine this. It's 8 a.m. in Los Angeles. I walk into a small cafe near the beach. The sun is bright.
I'm already sitting at a table with my coffee.
I walk in and say, "Hi, Sarah. Wow, it's so sunny today."
And I reply, yes, the weather is beautiful, but it's getting a little hot.
Friends, repeat after us slowly. It's sunny today. The weather is beautiful. It's getting hot.
Very good. And if it's too hot, you can say, it's too hot today. I feel like I'm melting.
That sounds funny, but native speakers say it all the time.
Now let's change the weather. We are in New York City. Dark clouds appear. Suddenly, boom! It starts raining.
Oh no, I forgot my umbrella.
Look at you. You're completely wet.
I say, I'm soaking wet. It's raining really hard today.
Friends, repeat. I'm soaking wet. It's raining hard.
Great job. If it rains slowly, you can also say, it's drizzling.
Now, let's travel to Chicago in winter.
The wind is strong. Snow is everywhere.
I step outside and say, brr, it's freezing cold.
And I answer, my hands are freezing. I can't feel my ears.
Friends, repeat. It's freezing cold. My hands are freezing.
Now we're in San Francisco.
The Golden Gate Bridge is hidden.
I say, it's foggy today.
Repeat with us. It's foggy today. Now imagine we're in Miami, Florida.
Thunder, lightning, rain.
I say, it's stormy. The wind is very strong.
Repeat, it's stormy. The wind is strong.
To make conversations easier, learn these simple questions. How's the weather? What's it like outside? Is it hot today? Do you like rainy days?
Let's practice. Sarah, how's the weather, Ethan? Ethan, it's warm and sunny. Now you try at home.
Now let's learn fun English expressions. 1. Under the weather, meaning feeling sick. I'm under the weather today. 2. Every cloud has a silver lining, meaning something good comes from bad situations. 3. 4 seasons in one day, meaning the weather changes again and again in one day.
Repeat one idiom with us. Every cloud has a silver lining.
Let's play a game. Ethan, react to the weather.
Ready?
It's sunny.
I feel happy. Let's go outside.
It's raining hard.
Oh no, I need my umbrella.
It's snowing.
Yes, I want to build a snowman.
Friends, now you react at home.
Now let's talk about you. You can say, in my city it is usually hot. In my city it rains a lot. My city is very cold in winter.
Write one sentence in the comments. That is real practice. Now imagine a peaceful night. The day is over. The noise is quiet. The sky changes its color slowly, from blue to dark purple, and finally to black. You are standing near your window. You take a deep breath. The world feels soft and slow.
Look up. The stars are shining. Some are bright, some are soft like tiny diamonds in the sky. The moon is glowing gently. The streets are quiet. Only a few lights are on.
In this peaceful moment, you can say, "The night sky is beautiful." Say it slowly with us. The night sky is beautiful. The air feels cool and fresh. Again, the air feels cool and fresh. Excellent.
You can also say, it's a calm night. The weather feels relaxing. I feel peaceful. Let's repeat together. It's a calm night. The weather feels relaxing. I feel peaceful. Great job, friends.
Weather is not only about hot, cold, rain, or sun. Weather is also about feelings. And when you use feelings, your English becomes more beautiful.
All right, friends. Let's slowly review everything you learned today. Don't rush, just listen and repeat if you can. It's sunny when the sun is bright. It's raining when water falls from the sky. I'm soaking wet when you are very, very wet. It's freezing cold when it is extremely cold. Feet when you cannot see clearly. It's stormy when there is thunder, wind, and heavy rain. Under the weather when you feel a little sick. Every cloud has a silver lining. Something good comes after something bad. 4 seasons in one day, when the weather changes many times in one day. Now take a deep breath.
Friends, even if you remember only one sentence today, you are improving. Even if you spoke only one word out loud, you are growing. You don't need to be fast. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to be brave enough to try again tomorrow.
Friends, English is not about being perfect.
It's about being brave.
It's about opening your mouth even when you feel shy.
It's about making mistakes and still trying again.
Because every mistake is not failure.
It is proof that you are learning.
Every time you try.
Every time you speak, you win.
You win against fear. You win against doubt. You win against silence.
Even native speakers were once beginners. Even fluent speakers once felt nervous like you. So never say, "I can't speak English." Say instead, "I am learning. I am improving. I am brave." And that is real success. Friends, if today's episode helped you even a little, if you learned even one new sentence, if you smiled even once,
Please like, share, and subscribe to the English Studio.
your one click helps us reach thousands of learners just like you.
Your support keeps this classroom alive.
And most importantly, you are not alone on this journey.
We are learning together.
We are growing together.
We are becoming confident together.
And remember, friends,
The weather outside may change.
sometimes it is sunny. Sometimes it is rainy. Sometimes it is stormy.
But the weather in your heart should always be
Bright,
hopeful
strong.
and full of confidence.
This is the English Studio.
Signing off with love, learning, and positive energy.
May your mind stay curious.
May your voice stay strong.
And may the weather in your heart always be sunny.
See you in the next episode, friends.